The Media Configuration tool is an application for Mac or Windows operating systems. This tool will allow you to add media types that you select in the printer's control panel and also in the print driver. Select the Add Genuine Paper option, choose your printer, and the software is ready to add, rename, show, or hide Canon's Genuine Paper options in your print driver and printer menus. Select a paper category and highlight one of the papers. Using the Show Hide button, you can select the paper choices on the right side that will appear in the print driver column or in the printer control panel column. The grayed out type will be hidden from your list, and the bold type will show up in your menu selections. The print driver names can be very long, and if you hold your cursor over the name for a few seconds, it will show you the entire name. After customizing your selections, click on the Update button and update the printer control panel and print driver. Note that the media information registered in the printer control panel will be overwritten. And when you see this window pop up, wait for it to finish its task before continuing. To configure a third-party paper, choose the Add or Edit Custom Paper, confirm your printer, and follow these 6 steps. Step 1. Click on the Add button and choose the media type. Notice the photo black ink is pre-selected for glossy media types, while matte black ink is pre-selected for fine art and canvas papers. The Assist button will let you establish the GSM or thickness for the media. Step 2. Name the media type for your print driver and printer control panel. And unless you have a need for a long name description, try to keep your name below 16 characters for easy identification. Step 3. Select your paper source, roll paper, or manual feed. Step 4. Select Execute to print out a paper feed adjustment pattern. And then you can select an automatic cutting, drying time, or borderless printing for the media type that you've added. However, the default settings here are usually appropriate for the media type that you've started with. Step 5. Setting ink limits will allow you to fine-tune your configuration for your custom paper. Click Test Print and choose your print quality and maximum ink usage options for printing your test. You can select the standard test pattern or use your own image. Inspect your test print closely and choose one that is optimal quality. Now you can select your ink limit setting, head height, and vacuum strength. Step 6. Confirm your settings and execute this new media configuration into your printing system. And now you can select your media configuration from the printer control panel and from the print driver in your system. After this procedure is complete, you can select your configuration and use the Create Calibration Target option. Once executed, this process will automatically use the onboard sensor to read density base values with a series of color patches to optimize your set. The last 2 choices, Link to Support Information and User Manual, will take you online to a wealth of information, links, and technical data right at your fingertips.